Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to airbrushing a street scene in Cuba. We're going to do this one today on a sort of small scale using two colours, FW Payne's Grey and FW Black, sort of sketching it nice and light and just build it up. I'm going to do this one real time. I've got the image lightly penciled out, so I've got something to work from, working from the tablet. I'm just going to enjoy a Saturday afternoon and paint this one and sort of sketch it with a custom micron. Takumi, that's what we're going to use. So enjoy the video, moving a little bit closer. I'll put some music on to get into the theme of Cuba and we'll get this one painted. See you in a minute. Right guys, we'll just test the brush. I'll just put some music on in the background and we're just going to start to dust in. Bit of the background. quick sketch. Sort of captured it. Yeah, we'll go with that. There you go, guys, we got it down. Just a nice little sketch, just going round, sort of had a bit of an outline. My building at the side was probably slightly different. I got most of it, but you're just staring at squiggles, and in the end you just get lost on where you're going and what you're looking at, because it's just like lines, dots, squiggles. Doesn't seem like you're looking at a building. So just quickly sketched it out on that bit, but the car came out nice. It came out really well. We'll demask it, and it'll just give it that white edge. So I think that was quite quick. I didn't really look at what sort of time, but that's come out all right. Payne's grey, really thinned out, and it came out all right. Not bad at all for a Saturday afternoon little sketch with the custom Takuma. Sort of enjoyed that, something different. Got a car, bit of a scene, bit background. So I hope you enjoyed it. My little sketch on a Saturday afternoon of a street scene in Cuba somewhere with a car. Drop your comments, tell me your thoughts, and I will see you lot in the next one. Cheers, guys.